Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I have some Lysol wipes that I want to talk to you about today. These Lysol wipes are just so convenient for sanitizing and cleaning all the places. What is awesome about them is that they kill 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, and it even says proven to kill COVID-19. So that was a big plus. I also like very much, this is the lemon and lime blossom, and they just smell so nice and clean. They are strong and easy to use. You can use them to wipe several areas. They're nice and moist, and they just give that clean feeling, and they leave such a nice smell and scent. I like to use them in, like I said, all the touch spots. I use them in the bathroom, use them on the knobs, use them on the toilet bowl, the little toilet thingy that flushes the toilet, all the places. You just cannot go wrong. Got a 3-pack of these, which is awesome. We can keep one in the bathroom, one in the kitchen, and have one in our second bathroom. If you are looking for something to make cleaning more convenient and very effective, I definitely would recommend the Lysol wipes, and that is my point of view.